In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how to make your public profile on Snapchat. So I hope you watch this video till the end. First of all, open Play Store and make sure that you have got the latest version of Snapchat. If it shows update, you need to update this application. And once you are done, click on Open. Go to your profile on top left corner. Scroll down to the bottom. In the section of Spotlight and Snap Map, click on Options. The option of Create Public Profile will be visible to you. Tap on it. Click on Continue. And to build your public profile, click on Get Started. Click on Create. So your public profile has been created successfully. Here, if you tap on this, your public profile will be displayed and you can make all the edits by yourself. So this is how you make your public profile on Snapchat. I hope you found this video informative. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it till the end.